In this video, we are going to discuss tips for writing awesome prompts for ChatGPT. We'll also share some of the best ChatGPT prompts for getting results. So if you want helpful responses, you need to know how to feed it useful phrases and instructions. This is called prompt engineering. Here's how you can do that. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's important to craft prompts that include relevant details and context. By sharing background information, specific facts, or your preferences, you give the AI a better understanding of your situation, allowing it to provide more accurate and tailored responses. The more specific you are, the more helpful and precise the AI can be. For example, with a generic prompt like, "Write a paragraph on beauty," you get the following. Let's add some context. Write a paragraph on beauty for a new health. Context helps ChatGPT generate a more useful and relevant response. If you want it to reference specific information, you must occasionally provide the content. For instance, tell me a joke? Instead of this, do this. Tell me a joke about school. Clearly state the task or topic you want ChatGPT to address. This keeps the response focused and minimizes the chances of any off-topic or vague answers. Being specific helps ensure that the AI delivers exactly what you're looking for. For instance, provide tips for optimizing Google Ads campaigns. Set clear boundaries or guidelines to shape the response within your desired limits. This helps ensure the output stays on track and aligns with your expectations. Mostly people do this. Instead of this, ask for specific data points, examples, or references you want the response to include. Providing the output format in a ChatGPT response helps guide the AI model to generate the desired content type. For example, write a 200 words paragraph on AI. You can also ask the ChatGPT to list pros and cons, provide step-by-step instructions, or respond in any other format structure you want. List pros and cons for getting expertise in AI using bullet points with only one sentence per bullet. The more specific, the better. And there you have it, folks. Best expert tips generating high-quality prompts for ChatGPT. If you guys still having any issue or I missed any tip, please let me know in the comments. And also give it a like and subscribe to Tech AI for more content on tech industry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.